Welcome to the Modern Pulse, your go-to channel for everything cars. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Honda Ridgeline Pickup. This versatile truck is making waves in the automotive world, and if you're looking for a reliable, modern vehicle that blends both power and comfort, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline could be the perfect fit. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline continues to impress with its unique design and impressive capabilities. It's a mid-size pickup that offers the practicality of a truck but with the comfort of an SUV. One of the standout features of the Ridgeline is its unibody construction, which sets it apart from the traditional body-on-frame design found in most pickups. This gives it a smoother ride compared to many other trucks, making it more car-like in terms of handling and comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Ridgeline comes with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering a solid 280 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and comes with all-wheel drive as standard, ensuring great performance both on and off the road. Whether you're towing heavy loads or cruising through city streets, this truck is more than capable of handling the demands of your day-to-day life. Towing capacity is always an important factor to consider when looking at pickup trucks, and the Ridgeline delivers here as well. It offers a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, which is more than enough for most recreational and light-duty towing needs. This makes it an excellent option for those who need to tow a boat, a camper, or other equipment without sacrificing comfort or performance. The interior of the 2025 Ridgeline is just as impressive as its exterior. Honda has focused on providing a comfortable and well-equipped cabin with high-quality materials. The seats are spacious and supportive, making long drives more enjoyable. The center console is thoughtfully designed, providing ample storage space for your gear, and the available 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers easy access to features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The Ridgeline's bed also has a few tricks up its sleeve. Unlike most pickups, it features a unique, in-bed trunk with a drain plug, which makes it an ideal option for tailgating or keeping beverages cold. Plus, the truck's dual-action tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze, with options for both standard and sideways access to the bed. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Honda Ridgeline, and it comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features. Standard features include Honda Sensing, which provides driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. These systems help enhance safety and provide peace of mind, especially on long road trips or when driving in traffic. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Ridgeline is competitive in its class. It offers an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a solid choice for those who want a truck that doesn't drain the wallet at the pump. One of the things that sets the 2025 Ridgeline apart from other pickups is its overall driving experience. Thanks to its unibody design and well-tuned suspension, the Ridgeline offers a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Whether you're driving on highways, city streets, or tackling dirt roads, the Ridgeline offers a level of refinement that's hard to beat in this segment. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline offers great value for money. While it might be slightly more expensive than some traditional body-on-frame pickups, its comfort, practicality, and unique features make it well worth considering. It's available in several trim levels, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. If you're in the market for a mid-size pickup that offers excellent performance, modern features, and a smooth ride, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline is certainly a model you should consider. It strikes the perfect balance between capability and comfort, making it a great choice for both work and play. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest reviews, specs, and features of your favorite cars. Keep tuning in to the Modern Pulse for more exciting content.